Good morning slash evening, Maggie. It is the should be the 11th. I think it's the 12th now. This is my ceiling and it's my wall. It's my hand. This is me sleeping in bed because I did not make a video. Every time you seem to remind me to make a video, I forget, which is not a good thing. I had lots of homework, and musical, and swimming, and things, and stuff. So for now I get a very beautiful view of my ceiling, and the wall, and the bar of my bed next to the blue wall. And now it looks green, but then it's blue again. And that is my ceiling and my wall. It is a very beautiful view. But I think I'm going to get more of a view like this, because I'm about to go to sleep, and I'm really tired. Really, really tired. And, I think every time you remind me to make a video, it kind of jinxes it. So don't do that anymore. And I'll remember to make better videos where I'm awake and not sleepy. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll make another video this week to make up for it. Because I'm awesome. Also, The Fault in Our Stars came today. It's good so far. Good night.